Namaste. Let's talk about diabetes type 1 and diabetes type 2 today. There's so many people are, having these days. You hear people saying they are having diabetes, But do you know the difference between the diabetes 1 and diabetes 2? Diabetes 1, which is also called juvenile diabetes, it happens when your insulin producing cells are destroyed by your own body. Autoimmune disease. Now, what happens in diabetes type 1? Firstly, when the insulin producing cells are destroyed, your body is not able to produce insulin. You are insulin dependent all your life. You have to manage your diet, you have to manage your lifestyle, and for that you require a professional help, so that you require a lot of knowledge, lot of reading, so that about your body, so that you know what kind of diet suits you, what kind of lifestyle you should have, how you should plan your meals, so that you don't suffer from the hyper and the hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia when your blood sugar goes down, hyperglycemia when your blood sugar goes very high. And diabetes type 2 happens when the body is producing insulin in your body, but the job of insulin is to, take the glucose cells and deposit it into the muscle cell. It is like a key. So insulin is a key. It goes into the muscle cells, it opens the lock, and it deposits the glucose into the muscle cells so that it can produce energy whenever it requires. But the people with diabetes type 2, insulin is there, the key is there, but there's a problem in their lock. Why there's a problem in their lock? Because the fat is deposited in their lock, and now the key is not able to open the lock. So this is what happens in insulin, diabetes type 2, it is also called insulin resistance. Years after having the person being insulin resistant, you get diagnosed years after this condition of insulin resistance, and then you become diabetic 2. Now, diabetes 2 is reversible. You can reverse your diabetes 2 with the right kind of food. Don't think that if you have a diabetes type 2 and you can, you'll be insulin dependent all your life. No, it's not the case. You take care of yourself, have good food, have good lifestyle, have some good professional care, you can cure your diabetes. So don't give up. Now, diabetes type 2 is reversible. It can be cured with the right diet and lifestyle. Whereas diabetes 1, you are insulin dependent, okay, but you can manage your lifestyle, you can manage your diet, and you can do everything, you can be as healthy as anyone else all your life. Now, for the diet plans for the people who are diabetic, first include protein and fat in your every diet. Because what protein and fat does, it slows down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. So that absorption of glucose is slows down, the body gets a constant steady supply of glucose, and the insulin spike does not happen. Now secondly, include low glycemic food in your diet. Low glycemic foods are those which are released into the bloodstream very slowly. What are those foods? Those foods are protein, fat, fruits, vegetables and whole grains. So include a lot of them in your diet. Now this third is include complex carbohydrates. Now what are complex carbohydrates? They are simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are like which goes immediately into your bloodstream. You have it and suddenly you have a glucose spike and your insulin spike, and which damages your body. You can have a complex carbohydrate, means whole wheat you're having. You can oats, include quinoa in your diet, include beans, lentils and brown rice. Those who have not heard about quinoa is getting very popular these days because it really works well as a protein food. It gives you good amount of protein and it's very healthy also. So you can include it in your diet. And then include fiber. What fiber does? Fiber actually, the fiber does the same thing. It slows down the absorption of glucose into your blood. slow down the absorption of glucose into the blood. This is what fiber does. And apart from that, the fibers are good food for your microorganisms living inside your body. So it creates a good saturated fatty acids in your body, which are very beneficial for all your body organs. Then comes in fibers include berries, flax seeds, chia seeds, oatmeals, lentils, peas, apples, and pears. Include a lot of this in your diet. So these were the food that you must include in your diet every day. Don't touch refined flour, refined sugar, colas, candies, chocos, all these things. Even refined salt also you should not have. Instead, take rock salt. Now, there are 4 superfood which every diabetics, should include in his diet. What are these foods? The first is apple cider vinegar. What apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar has got many benefits. Apart from that, the one of the benefit is if you include apple cider vinegar in your meal, half an hour before your meal, what it will do, it will slow down the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. So it will benefit you. The sugar level will not spike up, and the insulin will not spike up, so that you have a slow and steady sugar in your blood. Then comes the cinnamon. Cinnamon also, it's a very wonderful herb. It works like a magic herb for the people with diabetes. Include it in your diet. And cinnamon include around 1/4 teaspoon in your diet every day. Cinnamon also lowers your blood sugar level. Then comes the berries. Berries are like, super magic food. Include lot of berries. Include berries in your diet. At least 30 grams of berries every day. What are berries? Even black grapes are called berries. Okay, blackberries, blueberries, cranberries. Okay, all these are included in the blackberries. If you don't get the fresh black berries, you can have frozen berries and just put it in your fridge. And then is a sardine. Sardine is a fish. So the vegetarian will not have, but the non-vegetarians can have sardine. It's also wonderful if you're a diabetic. Include it in your diet. And so include all these, I've told you. I'll just give you a chart also, what all food you should include in your diet. And the person with diabetes too, please don't get disheartened. You can cure your diabetes with the right kind of food and your lifestyle. So just be healthy and take good care of yourself. This is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Invest in your health, invest in your body, and be happy, stay healthy, and enjoy wonderful years of your life. Namaste.